guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit your profile on Buzzfeed. So click on your profile picture on the top right corner of your screen and click on this pencil icon next to profile. Here you can edit your display name. You may update your display name whenever you like. So for instance, I just want to write down this or just like my name, and then press done, and it will be my display name when I comment, I think. And if you want to edit your username, you can just click the pencil icon too and press edit username. Choose wisely. You can only change this once and only if you haven't written any Buzzfeed posts. So I'm not going to do that, but if you are just going to change your username, I think you can only change it once, and then you're just going to press done. And then to change your profile picture, again, click on the pencil icon and click update profile photo, and you can either choose to delete profile photo, choose from library, or take a photo. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!